Hey girl, so I'm a firm believer that every woman should have a girl what you need bag. And in this girl what you need bag is everything that you may need, a friend may need, or even a stranger in the bathroom may need. You get what I'm saying? Like, because girl, what do you need? Whatever you need, I have, okay? I am never going to leave the girls hanging. I don't care if we just met 5 seconds ago or we have been down since elementary school, since diaper days. Because whatever I have is yours. It's truly yours. As women, I'm just a firm believer that we should never be caught lacking in life. Like, there should never be a situation where you're unprepared. And this is why I'll always try to account for every single situation in my girl what you need bag. What you need. Instead of packing my girl what you need bag together, I'm going to be unpacking it, because some people be getting on here lying to y'all. Y'all got PTSD, and I understand, but God don't even allow me to come on here and lie to the girls. He don't even allow me to do that. Okay. So let's unpack my girl what you need bag together. Also, I would like to say that my girl what you need bag is never too far. You might see me carrying a mini purse, but it's still not too far. It's in the car, girl. It's only 15 steps away. I'm never going to be too far away from my girl what you need bag, because girl, what you need. So this is what my girl what you need bag looks like. I get a lot of PR, and in that PR comes a lot of little mini bags like this. And as you know, my regular work bag is a pink bag, and so this just really matches with it. I don't know if they sell this separately, but Milk Makeup sent this over and I have been using it ever since. I honestly need a new one because it's looking a little dingy, but again, girl, what you need, it's in here. This is tried and true. So let's unpack this together. First off, we have wet ones. We have wet wipes. Your girl travels a lot. You know, hand sanitizer may not be around. Or you may just ate some wings. You know what I mean? And they didn't give you what they were supposed to give you when you ate your wings. Girl, I got you. I got you right here with it. Wipe those hands. Next up, we have Clorox wipes. I am a little OCD, OCD, if you would like to call it. I am not touching a surface that I have not wiped down, especially when I'm traveling. That seatbelt gonna get wiped down. That TV screen gonna get wiped down. My luggage gonna get wiped down. Like, my phone screen gonna get wiped down. Wipe me down. I have my down there wipes. Now, this is for when you cannot come back home, take a shower, you need to refresh. You get what I'm saying? I do put witch hazel in this. So for the girls who are like, do witch hazel wipes work, girl? Yes. Use whatever wipes you want. Your body, your rules. Let's remember that. I am just a guide. I am not your lieutenant. I am not here to bully you, to tell you what to do. A guide helps you. We don't bully. Amen? Amen. Okay. I use down there wipes. These are just personal preference. I like them. They're hypoallergenic, very sensitive. I love this for us. Throw a little witch hazel in there. If you're nasty, just throw a little witch hazel. Throw a little witch hazel in there. That gives you a nice, clean refresh throughout the day. You can also use this on your pits as well. You can use this on your pits as well and follow up with some deodorant. You get what I'm saying? Like, we want to stay fresh, and a shower is not always readily available if we're out and about in the streets, because we're outside all summer. Matter of fact, all year. We're outside until January 1st, 2026. In the most holy and wholesome way, we outside. And to be outside, we need to stay fresh. And this is how I do it. Speaking of staying fresh, we have a pad. Now, I'm not a pad girl, but one of the girls may be a pad girl. You never know. Sometimes Aunt Flo just come in and, you know, she was supposed to come on Thursdays, Monday, and she here. We weren't prepared, and that's okay. I got you. And of course, I'm a tampon girl. I had tried the Diva Cups. I had tried every type of product you can use for that time of the month. Baby, let me tell you something. This is such a sidebar. I tried one of those cups. It was so far up, my elbow was in my throat for me to go and get that thing. I kid you not, hand to the Bible. I was still working in corporate in the bathroom, and I was elbow deep trying to get that cup out because it twisted. Never again. Tampon girl, this is L. Now, I recently heard that they've been lying and this ain't fully cotton, so I might be switching to Ray L. I got to do my own research. But this is a super, this is a regular. I don't know where you at in your flow, but I got both. Sometimes the girls get a little messy. You know, brunch can get a little wild sometimes. Dinner dates can get a little wild. And for that, I have these Shout Wipe and Go little pads, little wipes, whatever you want to call them. We don't do stains on our clothes. And your girl personally loves wearing white. White is one of our favorite colors to wear. And I'm just a girl. Sometimes she might miss her mouth. God forbid a girl love to eat. God forbid. You know what I mean? Like, we gotta keep it cute. Next up, we have some fashion tape. This is double-sided tape that can stick to your skin or it can stick to your clothes. I've had one too many fashion mishaps. This stays on lock. Y'all know in this household, ashiness is a sin, so of course I gotta have some lotion. These are my absolute two favorites, the L'Occitane hand cream, and this is the Kiehl's Ultimate Strength Hand Salve. Now, this one isn't really scented. This one has a little bit of a scent, so I give people options whether you want a scent or not, but they are both amazing and keep your hands super, super moisturized. Speaking of hands, we gotta make sure that we keep the cuticle oil on lock and the nail file. Sometimes you get a little snag nail, you gotta get in there, girl, get in there. And I got you if that happens to you. If them cuticles look a little dry, we can hit it right here. This is also the L'Occitane cuticle oil. If you can't tell, I love L'Occitane. L'Occitane, call me. Do you love me back? Next up, we have some deodorant. Now, I know y'all was sitting here tussling in the comments about not using aluminum. I use aluminum. I have lived in the South my whole life. Aluminum has to be on my body. Now, if that is not something you do, your body, your choice. But this body, we gonna use some aluminum. And for convenience only, I always use this Dove spray deodorant. Now, this is not my first choice of deodorant. You guys know that I love Secret Clinical Gel, but they don't do travel size, and that's okay. But when we're out and we need to refresh, we hit in the arms again. Don't be afraid to reapply deodorant. It is for you to use, babe. It is literally for you to use. In the spirit of smelling good all day, of course, I have to keep a travel size of one of my favorite spring fragrances, which is the Valentino Born in Roma Donna. If I don't have a travel size of whatever fragrance I'm loving at the time, then I just use one of those travel perfume bottles where you can just press down on the perfume bottle and it will dispense the perfume into a little mini travel size. I use those as well, but this one comes in travel size and it's one of my current favorites, so I keep this on me as well. Continuing on the theme of smelling good, that breath gotta stay fresh. And of course, I am using their breath. I have the pink bottle inside of this. Green is not my favorite. And the girls did tell me that Ulta sells the pink travel size, so I'll be heading to Ulta very, very soon to replace this one. But I have the pink one inside of this one. But I always bring a little travel size mouthwash with me because you literally never know who you're gonna meet. Like, I might meet my next bestie. I don't want my breath to be semi-old. You know what I mean? Like, y'all know how I feel about funky breath. We cannot have it. Next up, we have a little sewing kit with some scissors and a tape measure. Can I sew? No, but somebody might. Somebody might. And one of the girls may need this. So I actually got this while I was traveling. One day it came with the little double-sided tape, the fashion tape, and I just decided to keep it. And yeah, the girls may need to sew back on a button or sew up. So I don't know what you need to sew, but if you need to do it, I got you. We have some hand sanitizer. I always keep hand sanitizer on me because I'm a little usada, and I need to make sure that my hands are staying clean all day because y'all got cooties. Some of y'all got cooties. Some of y'all do have cooties, and I gotta make sure I don't get the cooties so I can continue to show up for y'all. Amen, amen. I feel like a hair tie is just mandatory. Gotta keep that on stack. Also, gotta keep some Tylenol because sometimes a headache might be right around the corner. You literally never know. Like, I always keep Tylenol extra strength on me. I always keep that thing on me. Okay, and it has come in handy more than a few times, okay? Not just for myself, but for the girls too. I have 2 cough drops because, again, your girl has just been in full recovery mode. I'm finally feeling 100% back to myself, but she was fighting for her life. She was on the sick and shut-in list. And you know, the girls might need a cough drop. And I just like to keep these on me as well. Usually I have gum too, but I used the last little piece of my gum on my flight back home, so I need to restock that. Last but certainly not least, I keep toothpaste and a little mini travel size toothbrush with me. Now, I just recently had to throw that travel size toothbrush away because I used it and I don't like to keep it in my bag. But as you can see, I use my travel size toothpaste quite a lot. Again, you never know what situation you're gonna be in, and funky breath is never a situation I'm okay with being in. It's just not, I'm just never gonna be okay with that. If I don't feel like the mouthwash is going to do enough, I'm going to go into the bathroom and brush my teeth. And as you can see, your girl's gotten a lot of use out of this travel size toothpaste. You already know I love Colgate Total. I hope Colgate Total loves me too. And tell them to call me because they need to create a gel that's travel size. Y'all only creating paste. I don't like the paste. I'm gonna use it, but I don't like it. And that is literally everything in my Girl What You Need bag. And yes, all of this fits into my Girl What You Need bag. So I hope this helps you create a Girl What You Need bag because we are always going to be girls that need something. And even if you're the girl that needs something, I hope that you're always prepared for anything that may happen. So girl, I think it's time for you to go fill up your Girl What You Need bag. Okay. And of course, I cannot end this video without answering all the questions that I know you're going to ask, so let's get into it. This scarf is from a hair supply store that was near my house. These glasses are prescription. They are no longer sold, but they are always linked in my Amazon store. There is an exact same dupe for these glasses. I promise you it's the exact same ones. My necklaces are always linked in my LTK shop, pinned to the very top in my bio. And this sweatsuit is from Amazon. I love it. I wear it around the house all the time. It's super, super comfy and cozy. I think that is it for me. I love you. Goodbye.